Hi guys! Welcome sa ASIP9. In this video, itutuloy natin yung series natin on rational functions. So sa previous video, napag-aralan natin na yung x equals 0, it's a vertical line, is a vertical asymptote of the function f of x equals 1 over x. So nakikita nyo sa screen niyo yung graph ng function on f of x equals 1 over x. And notice that as we approach 0 from the right, no? Ano nangyayari sa value ng function natin? The function becomes larger and larger, kaya umaakyat yung graph, no? So as x approaches 0, f of x approaches infinity. No? So ito yon, part na yan. Also, as x approaches 0 from the left, no? Pag ganun siya, pababa ng pababa yung value ng function natin. That's why the function approaches negative infinity. Okay, so ito naman yan. Okay, so pag ganito yung sitwasyon, the line that the function approaches, no? So yung 0, that's a vertical asymptote of the function. No? Okay, so here, x equals 0 is a vertical asymptote of the function y equals f of x, no? And f of x equals 1 over x. Okay? So para bigyan ko pa kayo ng more examples, I have here 4 situations where we have a vertical asymptote. So yung graph natin, yung blue, di ba? Tapos yung dashed line, yun yung asymptote. So dun sa first graph, kita natin that galing dito yung function natin as we approach the line. Let's say this is x equals 3. So kita natin that as x approaches 3 from the right, di ba? Galing siya sa kanan. From here, pag ganun siya. The function, the value of the function gets larger, no? So f of x approaches infinity. This is 3 from the right. So naka-plus tayo dito. For number 2, we have, saan naman tayo galing? Galing tayo sa kaliwa, no? So habang ina-approach niya yung x equals 3, from the left, tumataas din yung value ng function, which means that as x approaches 3 from the left, f of x also approaches infinity. Malaki yung value ng function. However, dun sa number 3, so galing saan siya? Galing siya sa left, di ba? Papunta dito. So, for number 3, we have as x approaches 3 from the left, ano nangyari doon sa value ng function natin? Pababa yung graph, so ibig sabihin, paliit yung value ng function, which means that the value of f of x approaches negative infinity. And lastly, we have as x approaches 3 from the right, so galing naman siya sa kanan, approach niya yung line, f of x approaches negative infinity. Okay, so yun yung mga situations na pwede mangyari pag may vertical asymptote. With that, pwede na natin i-define yung vertical asymptote. Ano na ngayon yung vertical asymptote, no? So the line, of course, we know that it's a vertical line. X equals a. So yung a natin dito ay 3. Sa taas yung a natin ay 0. Is a vertical asymptote of the function y equals f of x if y is the value of the function, no? Approaches positive or negative infinity, So it's either pataas siya ng pataas o pababa siya ng pababa as x approaches A. So yung A from the left or from the right. So it doesn't matter kung saan siya manggagaling. Pwedeng left, pwedeng right. Pag yung value ng function pataas ng pataas as x approaches that line or pababa ng pababa, it doesn't matter kung saan siya galing. Yan ay vertical asymptote. Okay? So, sana maliwanag, no? So, these are graphs and with vertical asymptotes, no? This is one example. So, dalawa yung kanyang vertical asymptotes. The equation of the graph is, or the equation of the function is y equals x squared plus 4x plus 4 divided by x squared minus 3x minus 4. And this is another graph with infinitely many vertical asymptotes. No? Nahulaan niyo ba kung anong graph na to? That's the graph of tangent x. No? Okay, so balikan natin yung 1 over x. No? So para pala malaman yung vertical asymptote ng 1 over x. Remember, ang reason kung bakit natin in-explore yung value at 0 because here x 1 over x will become undefined pag sinubstitute natin yung 0 sa x. So ang isang pwedeng clue ng vertical asymptote ng isang function ay pag yung denominator niya ay 0. Pero hindi palagi yun. Sa mga susunod na video pag-aaralan natin kung kailan siya naging vertical asymptote at kailan hindi. No? So, but the fact that the denominator is 0, no? It's a good candidate for vertical asymptote. So for example, may another function ka na, halimbawa, 1 over x minus 3. So, kailan ba magiging 0 yan? Yung denominator. X equals 3, di ba? So, if x equals 3, it's a good candidate for vertical asymptote. And in this case, this is a vertical asymptote. No? Pero may mga pagkakataon na hindi siya vertical asymptote. Magiging I don't know if you're familiar with the whole, no, doon sa function, but I think we'll discuss that in the next video. Alright, so that's it. Maraming salamat. Sana nag-enjoy kayo dito sa ating discussion. Huwag niyong kalimutan mag-subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.